Hello friends, today we are going to learn what is the depth limited search algorithm in the artificial intelligence. We have already learned about the depth first search algorithm. So the depth limited search algorithm is just similar to the depth first search with some predetermined limit in it. In the depth limited search, this depth limited search can solve the drawback of the infinite loop. This infinite loop drawback is in the depth first search. So this overcomes that infinite loop drawback in the depth limited search. In this algo, the node at the depth limit node at the depth limit will treat as it has no successor nodes further. We are treating that the node which is present at the depth limit, it has no other successor nodes. So this depth limited search can be terminated with the two conditions of the failures. First condition of failure is standard failure value. Standard failure value. First of all, we will learn what is standard failure value. This standard failure value indicates that the problem doesn't have any solution. If the problem doesn't have any solution, then this depth limited search can be terminated. And second condition is cutoff failure value. In this cutoff failure value, what we have, it defines no solution for the problem within the given depth limit. So what are the advantages? Advantages is that first of all, this is a memory efficient. Second one is, disadvantage of this depth limited search is that it is incomplete. This is incomplete because we have to check for the goal node within some depth limit only, and it also not optimal. It's not optimal because it doesn't guarantee that it will give the solution for the problem. So in the depth limited search, we have the time complexity O b raised to power d, and the space complexity is O b into L, and this is not optimal. And for example, if this is a starting node, this is the A, this is B, child nodes, again we have the child nodes, and this is our goal node. So we have set a limit, suppose at this position, that this is a depth limit, so it will search first this and then it will go to B. If it is not found that goal node, so it means it is not complete solution, because we have already set a limit. Up to that limit it can't go. So this goal node we can't achieve using this depth limited search. But if we set limit at this point, so then we can easily reach to this goal node. So this is the basic drawback of this depth limited search, because we are setting the limit on the depth wise. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.